So what is premium financing? It's basically a payment plan for your insurance. Instead of writing one massive check up front, you spread the cost across monthly installments. Think about it. You wouldn't pay Netflix for 5 years in advance. So why pay your entire insurance bill in one lump sum? If you guys don't know, I'm Matthew Grenade, and this is the Business of Building, where I help contractors and subs tackle the business challenges that make or break a job. I run Dragonfly Insurance, and every day I work with builders on real-world problems like cash flow insurance that can stop a project in its tracks. Last week, I was talking to James, a general contractor in El Paso. We were sitting in his job site trailer surrounded by blueprints. Business was booming. He had 3 major projects going, his crew was solid, and work kept coming. But he couldn't shake a problem. He told me, I've got payroll hitting every Friday. Suppliers want money up front. But my biggest client, they only cut checks at milestones, sometimes 60 days apart. Does that sound familiar? Then he told me the kicker. My insurance renewal just landed. $50,000 due in full. That's when I told him about a tool most contractors don't know about, premium financing. So what is premium financing? It's basically a payment plan for your insurance. Instead of writing one massive check up front, you spread the cost across monthly installments. Think about it. You wouldn't pay Netflix for 5 years in advance. So why pay your entire insurance bill in one lump sum for coverage that lasts 12 months? For James, instead of a $50,000 check, he could put down $11,000 and then pay $3,900 a month for 11 months. Suddenly, that crushing lump sum becomes a predictable monthly expense that actually fits his cash flow. Now, does it cost more? Yes. Financing might turn a $50,000 premium into around $54,000 over the year. But here's the real question. What's that cash worth to you today? If keeping $40,000 liquid means paying workers on time, grabbing a new contract, or buying materials at a discount, then financing pays for itself many times over. Of course, the financing company makes money too. They front the premium and earn interest, usually in the 12 to 15% range. Some brokers tack on a fee as well. At Dragonfly, we don't believe in nickel and diming. We only charge part of the rate for arranging the financing. But here's the advice I give every client, and you should remember this. Always ask about fees. Always. You'd be surprised how often they're negotiable, and you don't want to leave money on the table. So what if you need to cancel your policy? You still can, even if you financed it. But the insurance company usually keeps a minimum earned premium, anywhere from, say, 10 to 25% of the annual total. The financing company collects what's owed up to that minimum, or however long the policy was active. So is premium financing right for you? Well, it depends. If you've got plenty of cash and you're fine parking inside an insurance policy, paying up front saves interest. But if cash flow is your lifeblood, and it's tight, as it is for most contractors, financing can be a lifesaver. It smooths out the spikes, turns a giant check into a manageable payment, and keeps your money working for your business. That's exactly what James decided to do. 3 months later, he called to thank me. Not because financing solved every problem, but because when a supplier offered him a 15% discount for paying cash on a $50,000 lumber order, he had the money available to grab the deal. That one move more than covered his financing costs for the year. Cash flow is a risk, just like accidents or liability claims. Premium financing is one tool to manage it. Good broker should walk you through the options, help you compare costs, and set it up so it makes sense. And if your broker never brings it up, ask them why. So next time that renewal bill lands on your desk, ask yourself, is my cash better sitting in an insurance company's account or fueling my business? If the answer is fueling your business, financing might be the smartest move you'll make all year. And if you want to dig deeper, check out the full blog post I wrote on this topic on our website. Thanks.